11 weeks searching for the next undiscovered talent. And now we are down to your final 6. This is the semi-finals.
Never lay down, never give up. I am a fighter. I'm a fighter. I'm a survivor. Even if I fall, I'll be up again, 'cause I'm a fighter. I am a fighter. I'm a survivor.
And now it's over to your judges.
Right, semi-final night tonight. We've got our top 6. We need to whittle it down to our top 4. I have no idea how I'm going to choose, but I want to know what you guys think.
I really don't know how we're going to choose. I mean, every single one of those talents are a talent in their own right, and every single one of them deserve to be on that stage. For me, I'm just looking forward to hearing what they bring, and we'll worry about the decision later.
Well, we've had they've all had some fantastic smashing journeys, and I'm sure they're going to bring out their best and show us exactly what they're made of. It's going to be an epic night.
It really will be an epic night. But like I said, the thing about semi-finals is that you have to hit with a bang. It has to wow. It can't be like any other performance. This one has to be special. Otherwise, it could end up in you being one of the two to go home. It's going to be a good night.
The pressure of that in itself could potentially throw someone off. So let's just see. Let's bring the high energy and let's see what they bring.
I agree.
Let's kick off the semi-finals.
Okay, up first from our top 6, it's the very creative and very talented Delicious D.
Now I'm in town, break it down, thinking of making a new sound. Play a different show every night in front of a new crowd that's new now. Chelsea, the love is grey now. See me lose more cause I sing to you loud. Now I can't, no, I won't rush. I say the words I make you blush. I'm gonna sing this out. Yes, I'm sure my songs are where my heart is. I'm like you, a 6 other artists. I'm not you, now that would be disastrous. Let me sing a doom and thing and root between the passes. See, I'm real, I do it all, it's all me. I'm not fake, don't ever call me lazy. I won't say prude, give the chance to be free. So it's listen to sort of suffocate me. Woo! Cause you need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, I don't need you. Tell me, you need me, man, I don't need you. 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 You need me. Sing I write my own tune and I write my own verse. I don't need another word split to make my tune tell for yourself. I'm singing rap, but you're just bluffing. Names on the credits and you didn't write nothing. Sing fast and know that all my go. I won't blast and I didn't got a Bristol. Came fast with the way I act right. I can't last if I'm smoking on a crack pipe. Now I won't be the product of my tongue. And my mouth always be stronger when my songs are done. People should have fake ass video. Always be the stories that you hear on Wikipedia. And musically I'm demonstrating. When I perform live was I'm meditating. Times that I buzz and some feel I feel me. Young singer right to yell like Gabriella chill me. Cause you need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, I don't need you. Tell me, you need me, man, I don't need you. 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 Tell me, you need me. With the lyrics I'll be able to write. I won't stop till my name's in lights. The stadium high someday even rise to red carpets. Now on Arabian Nights because I'm young and all my brother's gonna give me advice. Long nights and short height, then I go on hyper. Never be anything but a singer-songwriter. The game's over, now I'm on a new level. Watch my step on the track without a loop pedal. People think that I'm bound to blow up. Gone around about 1,000 shows, but I haven't got a house, plus I live on the couch. So you can read the lyrics on and sing them out. Wow, from day one I've been prepared with a real 5 wax to my Asian hair. So now I'm back to sofa, giving a dose of all the future hope, cause it's another day. Cause you need me, man, I don't need you. 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 You need me, man, I don't find me in the club, bottles full of bub. Me got what you need, I'm in taking drugs, I'm in a habit. I'm in making love, so come give me a hug. Yeah, you're getting rough, you can find me in the club, bottles full of bubbly bub. And I got an X, I'm in a second, I'm in a habit. I'm in making love, so come give me a hug. Yeah, you're getting rough, my eyes are red. I've been burning, I've been burning. My eyes are red. I've been burning, I've been burning on the spliff of your high grade. My eyes are red. I've been burning, I've been burning. My eyes are red. I've been burning, I've been burning, burning.
Dee, well done. It's not easy getting up there first, especially in the semi-finals. That's a lot of pressure. But I love the energy you bring, and I really think you've got the party started tonight. And your breath control was amazing as usual. I think that was probably the fastest I've ever heard you sing. So yeah, it was really good. To be honest, I haven't got any real criticism. I think musically you're so talented, you're so artistic and creative. And I think you looked like you enjoyed that performance. And whatever happens tonight, that's the main thing. I mean, it's the semi-finals. So congratulations on another great performance.
Dee, I agree with Lily, mate. Honestly, there's no criticism I can give you. You bring pretty much everything we want to see. You bring the vocals, you bring the performance, you bring the energy that we love to see when you go up on that stage. Again, your breath control, which we also know has always been amazing, was shown even more today because it's so hard to rap at the speed you did, which if you didn't realise, it's actually quicker than the original. He sped it up even more, which is nuts. And you absolutely smashed it, mate. Honestly, again, breath control, like I said, your breath control was nuts to be able to do it. Your vocals were great. It was so clear. Your diction was perfect. It was a bloody brilliant performance, mate. You should be proud of yourself. Well done.
Oh, what a cracking start to the semi-final. Yeah. I like the build-up in the song, straight from the start. Just build it up little layer by layer by layer. And you actually remind me of a little Ed Sheeran. So, but good luck.
Oh, well done, Dee. You do always bring a great vibe when you get up on that stage. And I've said it time on time again. It's like when we go to your own concert. I found this evening, though, that I wasn't as wowed as I was last week, in all honesty, because I think I've heard you do Ed Sheeran before. So I was a bit like, okay. But then as you built it up and you got towards the end and you was adding, I could hear you adding harmony and harmony and harmony. And that was the bit out of the whole performance that really caught my eye because it was great to see how high you could take your voice. Other than that, I think you've done a great performance and you've had a fantastic journey so far. So you should be so proud of yourself. Well done, buddy.
Wow, great work, Dee. What a great start. Now it's over to Kaylee's category and the powerful Ruby.
Didn't run or surrender. That I bore his name with pride as I tried to remember. You were judged by what you do while passing through. As I lost 'neath fields of green, let him lean on your shoulder. Tell him how I spent my youth, so the truth can grow older. Tell my father when you can, he was mine. true, like he told me. Tell my father not to cry, then say goodbye.
Ruby, congratulations on another stunning performance. That was so beautiful. I really like this week that you were quite different. We know you've got a massive voice and a massive range, and you tend to do really mature songs that to be honest, I forget how old you are. And this kind of brought that back a little bit for me. It felt a little bit more age appropriate, and we were able to kind of hear the vulnerable side of your voice. It was so emotional, and it was just honestly stunning. So congratulations on another amazing performance and in the semi-final. So well done.
Well done, Ruby. That was an absolutely spectacular performance from you. I agree with Lily. It's nice to hear the more gentle side of your voice. We know you're a powerhouse. We know you've got that huge vocal. So it's nice to hear you bringing that back and just having that lovely, gentle kind of tone to your vocals. I loved the falsetto during the songs as well. It was really nice. It was really breathy and lovely. Your great mic control during this performance as well. Really good. You could hear those low, quiet notes, and then you could, I see you pulling back a little bit for the more powerful notes in there. And honestly, you can see it's a very emotional song as well, which I felt you did portray very well. It was really good. You should be proud of yourself. Well done.
Well, congratulations, Ruby. That was a tremendous vocal there. Beautiful tone, and like with the diction was perfect. It was spot on. Well, what a future you have. 14 years old. Tremendous. Good luck to you, lovely. All the best.
Oh, well done, Ruby. That was absolutely stunning. I am over the moon with how that come out tonight. Such a beautiful song, and not many people have ever heard a woman sing this kind of song. So it's lovely that you're pretty much probably the first woman to sing this song. And I'd like to congratulate you on finding that pitch, working on that pitch, and doing a fantastic job. You've had a fantastic journey to date so far, and when picking songs this week, we was, deciding that we would rather show a different side, because she always brought out these big belters, and this is a song that she connected with quite a lot. I'm just over the moon. I'm so proud of you, girl, and I hope you're proud of yourself, because you have smashed this journey, so well done, babe.
Wow, what a beautiful performance from Ruby. And now it's over to Lily's first girl, and here is the very unique Chelsea.
You said you were sober, so I let you come over. Your words pulled me closer, but your words knocked me over. I kept on denying, so you kept on trying. You went too far to closure, too far knocked me over. Oh, I could just lie, say it's okay, when I wanna rip all the doors off this place. Say they don't fire, just walk away, when I can feel anything else but this way. 'Cause I let you in when I needed space, and you crossed the line when I pushed you away. How could you? How could you? Oh, I'm more than regret you. You've convinced yourself I let you. A better version of me never met you. change my mind and keep me afraid. You want me to lie and say it's okay when I wanna reap all the doors of this place. Safety don't fire, just walk away, and I can feel anything else but this way. 'Cause I let you in when I needed space, and you crossed the line when I pushed you away. How could you? How could you? Once loved a liar, 'cause he knew my name, and rewrite the story and make me to blame. How could you?
Oh, Chelsea, I absolutely loved that performance. Firstly, I think you're just so professional. I mean, you changed the song. Was it day before yesterday? You've literally had a day, basically, to rehearse that song. But I'm so glad you did, because I feel like this journey for you has been more about finding yourself as an artist. You've got such a unique tone that it's like, where do I fit? And it's because you're so unique. You are just you, and you portray that so well. Like, that emotion there is what you are. That's everything you embody as an artist. And I love you as an artist. I really, really do. I genuinely think you're a star, and I've said that from the very beginning. Your tone is so unique and different. And it was just a lovely song. You gave me goosebumps from the very beginning, to be honest with you. I think storytelling-wise, that was the best you've performed a song. I really felt the words you were saying. And in the low notes, it was stunning. You reminded me a lot of Zoe, who was here on the panel last week. You remind me a lot of her in those low notes. But it was just breathtaking, honestly. I loved it. Well done.
Chelsea, I want to congratulate you on another amazing performance. Honestly, I loved your tone on this song. It fits so well. It was really, really smooth. I love the agility to your voice as well, the runs. And like I said last week, not to add too many, and you didn't. And it was so tasteful. It was really lovely. Just sprinkled in there just enough. You're a great light and shade there. You had the power in the other notes, but then you had the lovely gentle side of your voice as well. Although you sang it unbelievably well, it just didn't give me that oomph that I'm looking for with a semi-final song. But regardless of that, you can boo if you'd like. Regardless of that, you sang it spectacularly, and you should be so, so proud of yourself, honestly.
Well, congratulations, Chelsea. I can't believe it's like the third one in, and you really pulled all the stops out this evening. I think Lily must be reading my comments on you. It was a cracking storytelling, beautifully sung. I think be careful, know what you're breathing, because sometimes you can sometimes tend to hear that. Always remember from your belly button and just up over the top. It's only now and again, because we've all done it. We all do it. There's sometimes you sing a song and then you just a little bit, but a tremendous performance.
Oh, well done, Chelsea. That was an absolutely graceful performance, I felt in my eyes. It reminded me really of why I fell in love with your voice at the start, because you brought the rawness, you brought, more, I felt you brought a lot of grace tonight with that, and how you come across and how you sang it, because I've heard the original version and I was in love with it, but I'm going to scrap that now, because I loved how you sang it tonight. There was like only a tiny little bit in the middle, I wouldn't even think of it. But if we wanted to record it in future, there was a tiny little bit where you took it up and you kind of fell off a tiny bit. But other than that, it was just absolutely stunning, and I really enjoyed it, babe. So well done.
Well done, Chelsea. That was absolutely breathtaking. And now it's back to Kaylee's category, and the youngest in the competition, it's Alex.
to check out the new, yeah. You're the only one who sees the changes you take is so Don't you worry about a thing. 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 Oh, ba 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 don't you worry about a thing, Mama, 'cause I'll be standing when you don't you worry about a thing.
Alex, well done. You look like you had so much fun up there. I was a bit shocked in the beginning. I wasn't expecting to see something like that from you, to be honest. I loved how you were a bit cooler this week and you had a bit of attitude giving it a shimmy. I'll be honest, for me, I didn't love the song choice, if I'm honest with you. I don't think it's best suited to your voice. But, with that said, I think you sang it very well. And I think, you done all you could. You gave your absolute all there. You used parts of your voice and the range that you've never shown us before. So you definitely fought there for your place in the finals. But you did do it well. It's just that I personally wouldn't have picked that song for you. But well done. You should be so proud of yourself because it was nice seeing something different from you, to be honest. It was nice to see you opening up and loosening up a little bit.
Alex, well done, little man. I am so proud of you. You did a really, really good performance today. I do agree with Lily in the terms of I don't feel this song was right for you. The runs during the song weren't as clean as they could have been. And like Rob said to one of the, I think it was Chelsea, you could hear on times the over the microphone, the breathing when you're taking a breath in. So you just be very careful to, when you take a breath, kind of slightly move your head away just so you can't hear that breath. But honestly, you looked like you had so much fun up there, but honestly, you were moving about, you were dancing, it was, very jazzy and upbeat. And I quite enjoyed it, I'd be honest with you. But yeah, if it was up to me, I would have chose something a little bit different for you because I don't feel it fit the semi-finals myself. But you should be so proud of yourself for your journey, mate. You have come a long, long way. And who knows what's going to happen, mate? Honestly, you are going to be an absolute star. And again, I still think you belong on the West End, but be proud of yourself.
Wow, well done, Alex. That was a cracking, you've got a really good big voice. A lot of potential. You can have a cracking future. I would say perhaps try a musical theatre number, or you're going to be really suited. I could probably see you somewhere like Billy Elliot, that type of thing. You've got a great voice. You owned it on the stage there. The only one is just be careful not to push it too hard. Obviously, with more vocal training and everything, and just change the shape of the especially the vowels, like the E and the A sound. It's just you won't sound so like you're pushing. So like like Brenna. But well done. You've got a cracking future ahead of you, and good luck for whatever happens this evening.
Oh, well done, Alex. I am so proud of you. This is a song that you've had in you and I as a goal to just have fun with, really enjoy yourself, and try really hard at it. We all know that Alex isn't a person that does 100 runs, 100 miles an hour. And I got to be honest, it sounded a lot better than it did when I first ever heard it weeks ago. And it sounded better than it was in the studio. And I'm just proud of the fact that you really want to go up there every week on week and enjoy yourself and be like, I'm here, I'm going to enjoy myself, I'm happy that I've made it this far, and I'm just going to show you that I really love being here, and that shows what kind of person you are, and I am proud of you. I'm proud of how far you've come, and you've had a great journey so far, babe, so well done.
The competition is off to a great start. Now let's head back to Lily's category and her girl, Caitlin.
I don't want to talk about things we've gone through, though it's hurting me. Now it's history. I played all my cards, and that's what you've done too. Nothing more to say, no more ace to play. The winner takes it all, the loser standing small beside the victory. That's a destiny. I was in your arms, thinking I belonged there. I figured it made sense, building me a fence, building me a home, thinking I'd be strong there, but I was a fool, playing by the rules. The gods may throw a dice, their minds as cold as ice, and someone way down here loses someone dear. The winner takes it all, the loser has to fall. It's simple and it's plain. Why should I complain? But tell me, does she kiss like I used to kiss you? Does it feel the same when she calls your name? Somewhere deep inside, you must know I miss you. But what can I say? Rules must be obeyed. The winner takes it all. The winner takes it all. The winner takes it all. The loser standing small beside the victory. That's her destiny. I apologize if it makes you feel sad, seeing me so tense, no self-confidence.
Caitlin, oh my God. I literally can't believe what you just done there. Honestly, I think personally you've had the biggest journey here. I think you started out as an underdog. And to be honest, I think you were one of the people that could be overlooked. And you've been working so hard on your voice, obviously, throughout this whole competition. And genuinely, that was just a moment. That was so special. And especially at the end, I got choked up when you said no self-confidence, because I really think that's what you've been like. And afterwards, I seen you like cheer to Joey, like, I did it. And if you're not proud of yourself after that, I don't know what the heck we can do to get you proud of yourself. But honestly, that was by far your best performance for me. It was my favourite of the night so far. And I honestly think you've got something so special. Please believe in yourself. Well done.
Caitlin, I mean it when I say that performance literally took my breath away. It was absolutely beautiful. Now, I'm not a fan of ABBA, and obviously I came to the studio during the week when you were doing this, and I thought to myself, oh no, not ABBA, and I was a bit worried. But then when I heard it in the studio, and then I heard it now, not only was it better than the studio, but you sang it so beautifully. The fact you took the track and you stripped it back, it gave it a whole new tone. It was emotional, it was packed, you could see it in your face, it was packed full of emotion. You had great mic control, your vibrato. I always love to hear your vibrato. It is so, so stunning. And I think, again, it was perfect. It was absolutely perfect. There was no faults. That is my favourite you have ever done. And that's my song for the night.
If I was allowed to have a golden buzzer to play you straight through, you'd be my choice. Because that was tremendous. You should be so proud. I didn't have to write anything because, as far as they say, the winner takes it all. I think you could be the winner of the whole tournament. Good luck, whatever happens. You've got a tremendous career ahead of you, especially, you say, musical theatre. You've got a cracking voice.
That was absolutely stunning. And to be honest, I could sit here and echo what everybody says, but I feel like there's only one sentence I can say to you right now that I really want to tell you. And I feel tonight that I've witnessed the birth of a star, because to me, that was way above any expectation I would have. And you've just, and I'm just speechless, and that don't come often. So, fair play, you've smashed it on the head, and you've had a fantastic journey. And I hope now you start to believe in yourself, because you were just a phenomenal, strong vocalist. Well done.
That was special. Well done, Caitlin. Now, ending tonight's semi-final from the contestants, we have the powerful powerhouse, It's Donna.
There is a house in New Orleans. They call it the rising sun. And it's been the ruin of many poor boys. And God, I know I'm one. Yeah. Yes, he is life in a blue boy. Oh, the only thing, yes, he was in the house of the rising sun. Oh, the only thing he says right in the house of the rising sun.
Donna, that was absolutely epic. Seriously, I'm so proud of you and you should be so proud of yourself. I know what you can do, obviously. I've worked quite a lot with you over the last 2 months, but genuinely that surprised me, honestly. The richness to your voice, the growling, like everything about it, the soul, the attitude, the performance, you've just got it all and you execute this so well. Love the song choice, love what you've done with it. By far your best performance so far. And it was just, honestly, the most incredible thing I've ever witnessed in front of my eyes. So well done, I absolutely loved it.
Donna, there's nothing to say other than, what can I say, you've gone up there and done it exactly again. As you do every single week, you smash it. You smash it up on that stage. Such a great song choice for your tone and your type of vocals. You know, you had those really stunning gruff notes in there, which gave the song a bit of texture. You had the lovely a cappella at the start. You had so much sass, which we love to see you bring to that stage, moving about, you know, giving it everything of I'm Donna and Love Me. It was powerful. And again, I agree with Lily. That's my favorite that you have ever done. It was amazing. Amazing.
Oh, that was super duper. You owned that stage. Plenty of sass. And can I borrow those red shoes? I love them. For my Tina Turner. Oh my God. But congratulations. You come out there tonight to say, I want to be in our final. And good luck to you, whatever happens. Done yourself proud. And good luck, love.
Donna, you smashed it out of the park again. I just can't get over the growth in it. Well, not even growth, because I think realistically you've had it inside you all this time. But I think the confidence in you each week to keep pushing yourself and learning and looking at different kind of songs and jumping out of your comfort zone to what you normally sing has really done you justice during this journey, and something that you've needed. Because in my view, I think you were ready to go out there and just show the world, I'm here, I'm Donna, and I was going to say something else. I'm amazing. You're a vocal machine, and you've smashed it tonight, girl, and you should be so proud of yourself. I'm proud of you. Well done.
Oh my word. Well done, Donna. What a way to end the semi-finals. Now, ladies and gents, it's time for some of our special guests. Up first, it's Fifth Harmony Revolutionized Dance School. Take it away, girls.
How does a moment last forever? How can a story never die? It is love we must hold on to. Never easy, but we try. Sometimes our happiness is captured. Somehow a time and place stand still. Love lives on inside our hearts and always will. Minutes turn to hours, days to years then gone. But when all else has been forgotten, still our song lives on. Maybe some moments weren't so perfect, maybe some memories not so sweet, but we have to know some bad times
'cause just when we feel all hope is gone, we'll hear our song and no once more our love lives on. How does our happiness endure through the darkest of our troubles? Love is beauty, love is pure. Love pays no mind to desolation. It flows like a river through the soul, protects, precedes, and perseveres, and makes us whole. To hours, days to years that gone. But when all else has been forgotten, still our song lives on. How does a moment last forever when our song lives on?
Wow, what an incredible routine. Unbelievable work. Now it's time for one of our Talent Search Cymru champions. She's back. It's Chloe Laws.
It's not true. Tell me I've been lied to. Crying isn't like you. Ooh. What the hell did I do? Never been the type to let someone see right through. Ooh. Maybe won't you take it back? Say you were trying to make me laugh, and nothing has to change today. You didn't mean to say I love you. I love you, and I don't want to. On another I wish we never learned to fly. And maybe we should just try to tell ourselves a good lie. I didn't mean to make you cry. take it back. Say you were trying to make me laugh. Nothing has to change today. You didn't mean to say I love you. I love you. And I don't want to. The smile that you gave me, even when you felt like dying. We fall apart as it gets dark. I'm in your arms in Central Park. There's nothing I can do or say. I can't escape the way I love you. I love you. And I don't want to.
Another incredible vocal from Chloe Rose. Well done, Chloe. Now it's time for one of Talent Search Cymru's very own. She's back. It's Gabby Van Breen.
I've climbed 1,000 mountains. I've walked 1,000 miles. Thrown pennies into fountains. I've hidden hope with smiles. I don't fall in love. Love falls into me. And I know what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. But deep down I just know that I belong here. All I ever wanted is this, to take a shot and know I won't miss, to hear those words come from your lips. Whatever it is, I'll take the risk. 'Cause all I ever wanted is
wonderful work. Well done, Gabby. So nice to see you back. What a wonderful performance. Now it's over to another incredible dance act. This is Ella and Naomi from Dance Attack Collection. Here they are. Take it away, girls.
Well, you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. And you let her go. But you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. And you let her go. Oh, oh. And you let her go. Oh, 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 no. Will you let her go? 'Cause you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. And you let her go.
Absolutely stunning. Well done, girls. Right, guys, now it's over to one of Talent Search Company's very own. It is Rob Crowley.
This is the moment. This is the day when I see all my doubts, demons on their way. Every endeavor I have made ever is coming into play, is here and now today. This is the moment, this is the time when the momentum and the moment are in rhyme. Give me this moment, this precious chance. I'll gather up my past to make some sense at last. This is my moment, when all I've done, all of the dreaming, scheming and screaming becomes one. This is the day, just see it shine, when all I've lived for becomes mine. For all these years I faced the world alone, and now the time has come to prove to them I've made it on my own. This is the moment, my final test. Destiny beckoned, I'll never reckon second best. I won't look down, I must not fail. Moment for moment, this is the moment of them all. This is the moment, down for yours. This day or never, I'll sit forever with the cause. When I look back This is my moment, the greatest moment of them all. The greatest moment of them all.
Another fantastic performance from Rob. Well done, mate. Right then, ladies and gents, our final guest performance this evening is coming from Talent Search Cymru's youngest representative to date. It's Lacey LB.
And I'm telling you, I'm not going. You're the best man I'll ever know. There's no way I could ever go. No, no, there's no way. No, 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 no way I'm living without you. I'm not living without you. I don't wanna be free. I'm staying, and you're gonna love me. You're gonna love me. Yes, you are. And I'm telling you, I'm not going. Even though the rough times are showing, there's just no way. There's no way. We're part of the same place. We're part of the same time. We both share the same blood. We both share the same minds. On time, we have so much to share. No, 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 there's no way. I'm not waking up tomorrow morning and finding that there's nobody
Wow. Another incredibly powerful vocal from this young lady. Well done, Lacey. We are all so proud of you. Now, ladies and gents, it's come to that time. It's time for the judges to decide their top 4 grand finalists.
We've heard them all perform. All 6 of them did amazing. We do have to pick 2 of them though. I think, for me, the people that stood out of everybody, definitely this one. And this one shocked me, I'll be honest with you. Really did shock me. And I feel this one, again, the choice was a bit too wrong.
So do you think we have our final 4, our grand finale?
I agree, I think we do. So, will you read this one?
Yeah.
And this one, yeah?
Yep, we agree.
Cool.
I
Yeah,
agree.
alright. Let's do it.
Final four.
It is our final four.
In no particular order, the first person going through to the final four and into the grand finale next week is Chelsea! Well done, Chelsea. You are in our final four through to the grand finale next week. Well done, girl. Moving on, in no particular order, the next person joining Chelsea in the top four in the grand finale next week is Ruby. Well done, Ruby. You are through to the grand finale. Top four next week. Well done, Rube. In no particular order, joining them through to next week's grand finale, top four, is Caitlin. Round of applause, guys. Well done, Caitlin. You're in next week's grand finale, top four. The remaining spot going into next week's grand finale is Donna. Round of applause, guys. Donna, well done. You are in next week's grand finale, top four. Right, guys, we are going to quickly talk now to both Delicious D and Alex. Can we please have a massive round of applause for these guys? They've been incredible. What a journey they have been on, guys. And it wouldn't have been the same without them both. So, boys, you need to be really, really proud of yourself. Delicious D, what you've brought this series, honestly, I can't thank you enough. You brought something completely original and unique to Talent Search Cymru, and I'm forever grateful for that, because you brought something to the platform that's going to allow other people that are creative out there with music and that, and you've shown them that you can do this and you can do really, really well in the process. So be really, really proud. I know it's not the end in this network, because we've already spoke about things. I'm so proud of you, but you've come a long way. Keep sharing that talent, and we're all behind you, 100%, all right? Alex, come to you, buddy. Our little theatre start of the series, guys. Alex, what a journey you've been on. And can I just say, guys, Alex, literally so humbly, every week, he's been in shock when he's been going through it. From the get-go of this, he thought he was going home. That's the sort of personality you've had. And Alex, you're top 6 of this series. First time doing something like this. We hope that you've learned something from this and stand proud, because you wouldn't be here if you didn't have that talent. You're amazing. Well done, buddy.
So what an absolute privilege it's been to be able to do this whole journey. I mean, to be able to watch so much talent every single week, be blessed with that, to watch my peers grow every single week is so, so inspirational. I came into this wanting to challenge myself, and throughout this process, it's done exactly that. It's been able to highlight areas that I would have never been able to highlight before, improve as a musician, and I can't be grateful enough for the opportunity. So thank you so much for walking out of this a very happy person. Thank you.
I'm just so happy that I got selected for this thing and get into the semi-finals. I thought I was going to be out the first round straight away. As soon as I heard the first performance, I was shocked about how good everyone was. But I was happy to see everyone, and I'm shocked I got this far.
The last of my category. He has done me so, so proud.
What an incredible semi-final. I'm so excited for the final. And to think I've got 3 of my girls in there. I'm so proud, and I can't wait to watch it perform again.
I can't believe I got one of my contestants in my category left. Come on, Pocket Rocket Ruby, way!
Team Chelsea! Team Donna! Team Caitlin! Team Ruby!
Ladies and gents, your final 4 of the series. Next week, one of these ladies is going to be crowned the next representative. Girls, you should be really, really proud of yourself. What a finale this is going to be.
Bring on the grand finale of Talent Search Cymru.
Wow, what a finale this is going to be. 4 incredible female vocalists. Find out who will win next week. for our final episode of the series. It's going to be epic. Get ready, guys. Hold on to your seats. The grand finale is coming.